In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out from Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. If you want to log out from your Facebook account on a current device, you can go to menu and then just scroll down and tap at Logout and then log out again. After that, you will be logged out from that particular Facebook account on that particular device. If you want to log out from any devices where your Facebook profile or Facebook account might be signed in, all you have to do is just go to settings, then see more in account center, after that password and security, where you are logged in, and then just tap at your Facebook account and it will show you login activity for that particular account. I got just one device here, that is my iPhone 11. However, if you logged into your account on multiple devices, you will see the list of that devices right here, and then we can tap at select devices to log out. After that, we'll be able to select multiple devices at the same time, or also we can tap at select all, and once we have selected all the devices we want to log out, just tap at that button and you will be logged out from all the devices at once.